Finally, my replacement graphics card have arrived. Let's unbox it together. Close the door. My trusted cutter. Looks like the seller packed it well. Important if you're getting hardware. Okay. I expected a box, but it's just the graphics card. Make sure there's nothing. It's packed well. So anyway, whoa, I expected it to be smaller, a lot smaller. X1060, 6 GB version. I already have 980, which is 4 GB, which is falling apart. I'm getting stutters and crashes, so this will serve me temporary. It looks in good condition. Hopes it works and everything is okay. We'll give it a go now. Remove my old one and install this one. I already took it off. No need for a screwdriver. And this is my current setup. GTX 980 VGA still. Oh, I think, yeah, we need a screwdriver now to open it from here. The good thing is the new graphics card only needs a little power as opposite to the full pins, so there is that smaller. Everything else is okay. Yeah, I need to clone this hard drive to here and then remove it altogether. So let's get a screwdriver. And the deed is done. Look at this beast. Whoa! Look at it. Look at it. Look how big it is. It looks to be in perfect condition. I don't know what is wrong. I think it's not the graphics card. Something else is causing the restarts or blue screens of death, or rather black screens of death. Let's see. Look at the size. It's half the size of this graphics card, yet more powerful. Look at this. How technology moves forward. And just like that, it fitted in. Need to just screw it and use only one pin, which is nice. So let's just do that. Finally, I was able to screw the screws inside. They kept falling in and I had to hunt for them. And the job is done. Fingers crossed, like I said. Putting the case in and let's see. Still weird sounds coming, probably the hard drive. And nothing is booting.